Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Verify your platform and immediately create full backups of saves and configuration files. This preserves progress if things go wrong. Next, pause and evaluate the legal and account risks. Bans, revoked access, or data loss are real consequences. Once done, choose a sanctioned path rather than trying to disable protections. Make sure to record versions and timestamps so you can fully restore the original state if needed. This protects your account and investment. You should continue by selecting approved or community-accepted tools. Many games offer mod kits or editors that avoid tripping protections. Once chosen, work only in single-player or offline environments to prevent impacting others and risking enforcement actions. Test changes inside an isolated setup. Use a virtual machine, a secondary account, or a separate installation, so you can experiment safely. As you work, document each change and maintain the backups you made earlier. That documentation speed. Finish by restoring any altered files from your backups before you connect to multiplayer or services, and verify integrity using the game launcher's verify or repair tool so the system is clean. If you receive a warning or flag, do not attempt further circumvention. Instead, gather your logs and reach out to support with documented restores and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: if the game won't verify, uninstall fully, remove residual folders, then reinstall to ensure a pristine state before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.